There's the concept of we can also use not just in the examples I just showed you is reusable code in one environment. You can also write reusable code that's going to live between other environments. This is going to save you a lot of time. This is how a lot of freelancers end up pretty much blowing through work really quickly. For instance, I have an error handler flow here. Pretty much I pass in a flow name and then the person's name that I should notify, and then it sends them a message. Why would I build this? In any of my flows, I can wrap them inside of this scope, and then I can use this error handler flow I just built. So this ran, it just failed. Because this flow failed, what it looks like is that I end up getting a Teams message like that inside of Teams. And then I'm like, oh, okay, so what is that? I'll go check that out. And then what happens is, once I get this Teams message, I can go in and investigate it. And then I know, okay, there was a problem. I need to go look into it. And the point is, I can share this flow across many different applications. That's the kind of advantage of when you start thinking in terms of reusability. Now, there are a few other examples as well. I'm sure if you've seen any of Nathan Rose's stuff, you'll know that the idea of low-code plugins are huge for that kind of thing. For instance, here, this name formula, great, we're reusing code in the same Canvas app. But if we think between projects, we can go into and take that name formula I made called isSpecialAward. We could put it in a low-code function. And now we can not only use it in the Canvas app, we can even use it inside of a model-driven app. So now we can reuse that same thing and don't have to create it so many times. I personally think low-code functions are a little buggy right now from me testing it 2 months ago, so I'm not fully endorsing them at all. But I do think they're going to be the future if they really can fix all of that together.